Nigeria plays a critical role in the restoration movement and is pledged to restore 4 million hectares of degraded land. This kind of ambition, coming from Africa's largest economy, underscores just how vital this issue is. We're fortunate to have President Buhari of Nigeria with us today. Nigeria plays a critical role in the restoration movement and is pledged to restore 4 million hectares of degraded land. This kind of ambition, coming from Africa's largest economy, underscores just how vital this issue is.
Say I dey praise you, Buhari, for United Nations climate change matter. Say I dey praise you. Wetin you call pledge for these people where they praise you like this? Jeff Bezos when get Amazon, they praise you. Say that they're very fortunate to have you among themselves. Buhari, your country not good. Nigeria they among the most poorest country, not economic, not the largest in Africa. When they stop to deceive the people. People where go fit help the country. Will they form like big boys and big girls they give them. They call the reason Nigeria say Nigeria get money. People they suffer, people not get food. Buhari stop to the life for these people, they collect the money when like say they channel to this race, they channel to this movement. Buhari, Nigeria, the poverty for Nigeria is too much. $1 is equals to 540 naira. Buhari, open up to these people, stop to the collect money for their hand. Nigeria no want their debt forever. See how the man they praise you, Buhari. Which day you go stop this movement where they collect money for these people? And who won't pay this money then when like say they collect? Who won't pay am? Make I read how into the exact word when usually they praise Buhari. Jeff Bezos, the exact word when you say praise Buhari. I go read that for now. Me on a listen, do I listen for Linda KG blog. He said, we are fortunate to have President Buhari of Nigeria with us today. Nigeria play a critical role in the restoration movement and has pledged to restore 4 million hectares of degraded lands. This kind of ambition coming from Africa's largest economic underscores just how vital this issue is. Nigeria not be the Africa's largest economic. Nigeria people they suffer. More know they claim big boys and big girls for these people them. Nigeria they suffer. People know they see food chop for the country. Because this man does channel over $10 billion for this movement. Buhari and the crew, they don't go there. They won't go pack money. Which day Nigeria go better? Which day Nigeria go better? Buhari, your ass they on fire. Nigeria they on fire. You see they go attend meeting for this November 1st. Your ass they on fire. Your ass they on fire. How they want to help Nigeria? You know how they want. God, I know you know how this country just they rich like this. People know they see 2 square meal they chop a day, 3 square meal if they say and they eat a day. Buhari say the country they fine. It's not be African largest economy. Waiting when work not day, people they graduate from school, people they employ themselves for their own work by themselves. They work by themselves. Nigeria, which Nigeria want better? When this man they shower praises for Buhari head, say Buhari, they very fortunate, they very happy to say Buhari come among their midst. They pledge 4 million hectares of land. They give them say so they want to do their matter where they want to do. United Nations climate change matter. God, which day the country want it better? Nigeria. Which the country want it better? If you read down and you go see say this he said this kind of ambition coming from Africa's largest economy. Africa's largest economy, Jeff Bezos. Naira now 540 naira for $1 for where you come from. Only $1 now be 540 naira for our country. The country don't poor finish. Buhari don't use borrow take care of our country. The economy don't fall. May they end they deceive you. The money down their pocket they carry and they go. I beg, Mona help Nigeria. Mona help them. Jeff Bezos rich, they help Nigeria. Mona they lie for this man. Which day Nigeria want wake up? Which day Nigeria want wake up from this problem when last year day us? 2023, I beg, may everybody get their PVC. These people no go feel repeat power. PDP not supposed to repeat power. Not both of those parties they Nigeria. PDP and APC not be they did Nigeria. Nigeria deserve a better living. We deserve a better living and a better life. No basic amenities, no water, no electricity. 61 years, Buhari, you know if you produce 61 years of that country, light issue, you never see solve. You say you dey solve a climate, whatever climate. Which climate this thing? When bag of rice now 30-something thousand, I be 30,000 naira. I beg Jeff Bezos, help Nigeria, I beg, help Nigeria. Not go put the money for them. Mona you take the country, mona help the country, mona build the country. My country people, if now first time when you say you come across Afia Express, drop your comment for the comment section where they below. How you see this matter? See the way they praise Buhari. Wetin Buhari won't say. He won't say full Nigeria. I beg, make una drop on a comment for the comment section. Share the video. Until next time, this I'll come away with another vital information. This one on November 1st, the United Nations climate change where Buhari attend for Glasgow, for inside Scotland, whereby the Mauritanian presidency attend, French presidency attend, Prince Charles attend this thing. Until next time, we say I'll come on our way. Nigeria must change. Nigeria must change. Enough is enough. These people, they go collect money for abroad. They collect the money, they put it for their pocket. I beg. We need change for Nigeria. Until next time, say I'll come on our way. Drop your comment for the comment section. Wait till you feel say go fish in Nigeria. Now borrow go fish in Nigeria. I mean Nigeria need to locate around. They need to boost their economic around. They need to build things by themselves. Drop your comment below for the comment section. Until next time, we say I'll come on our way. Bye bye.